Hello everyone, welcome back to Mango & Co's Patterns. In today's video, we are sewing a Brazilian bikini bottom. This style is an adjustable sliding bikini bottom which offers the option to have minimal or maximum coverage in the front and the back. The Carmen pattern is ready to download at the link below in sizes extra small to double XL. Before we start, follow Mango & Co's on Instagram for new pattern updates, promos, and giveaways. New styles will be launching very soon, so keep an eye out on IG. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need a 1/4 inch rubber elastic and a loop turner. So, I have all my pattern pieces cut and ready to go. First step, I will sew the front self with back self, right sides facing each other at the gussets. And same with the lining pieces, front with back. I will place the lining pieces over the self pieces, right sides facing each other. Before proceeding to the serger, I will base stitch the leg holes using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Next, I will serge down all 4 sides like so. Using an elastic foot, I will serge a 1/4 inch rubber elastic onto the leg holes. I will stop the elastic right before the corners and then cut the elastic on a slant. So make sure that you set your elastic foot at 0 tension and remember that you must sew the elastic on the dominant side. In this case, the dominant side is the floral fabric. Now, cut the elastics on a slant. To keep the seams from unraveling, backstitch about 1/2 inch to keep the elastic secured. Then, break all the base stitches and remove the threads. Next, flip the garment right side out through the waist. Then, serge the waist for both front and back. Next, fold over the waistlines by 3/4 of an inch to create your strap channels. So you will stitch down the channel using a straight stitch at the very edge. Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. Next, it's time to make the strap. Fold the strap in half lengthwise, right sides facing each other. Then serge the top of the strap closed, however, you will leave a 1 inch hole opening. Make sure to knot the chain tails so the seams don't unravel. Then flip your strap right side out. Using a loop turner, pull the strap through the channels . To connect the straps together, find the 1-inch hole you previously left open, place one strap inside the other, and pin the straps together on the back side.
Staying in tonight and I'm all alone. Feeling okay, then you hit my phone. Saying, babe, wanna meet up.
Through the hole, you will pull the other end of the strap upwards and match the corners.
Saying, of course you can come by. I don't know why, but you're sunshine. Oh, you're alright. Oh, you're alright. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right. Don't know how to keep my calm. Baby, don't you tell your lies. Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. I've been loving every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid now. So now it's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. Oh, you're alive. I'm gonna shut.
Using a 1/4-inch seam allowance, stitch the straps together. Next, trim off the excess seam. Pull your strap right side out and blind stitch the hole opening. And then you'll just place the seam at the center back of the bikini bottom. And there we have it, the Carmen bikini bottom is done. This pattern is available at the link below in sizes extra small to XXL. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for new swimwear patterns and other updates. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Happy sewing!